Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate posts in Facebook Business Suite. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse successful content or make slight variations of a post without starting from scratch every time. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This will take you directly to your business page management area. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, shift your attention back to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to locate an option called Meta Business Suite. This is Facebook's centralized tool for managing your business presence across both Facebook and Instagram. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Meta Business Suite homepage. This is your hub for all business-related activities, from posting content to viewing insights. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation menu again. Look for the content option and click on it. This section houses all your published and scheduled posts, making it easy to manage your content library. Now that you're on the content page, take a moment to browse through your posts and locate the specific post you wish to duplicate. This could be a high-performing post or simply one you want to use as a template. Once you've found it, look for the three-dot icon next to that post. Click on it to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, find and hover your cursor over Manage Post. When you do this, you'll see additional actions appear for managing this particular post. Among these options, click on Duplicate Post. This action will redirect you to a post creation screen, and here's where the magic happens. All the content from the post you selected, including text, images, and any other media, will be duplicated and ready for you to work with. You now have the flexibility to edit this duplicated content as needed, whether that means changing the caption, swapping out images, or adjusting any other details. Once you're satisfied with your edits, or if you want to post it exactly as is, simply click Publish to share it with your audience, and there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a post in Facebook Business Suite, saving yourself time and effort while maintaining consistency in your content strategy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.